Hi gorgeous, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I make press-on nails, and in today's video I will be doing a marble ombre. So let's get started. As always, the links to the products are in the description. So really quickly, I did find out after editing this video that the Model 1 blue polish that I just showed is now unavailable. So when I find an alternative color that's kind of similar from another brand, I'll let you guys know and I'll update the links. And I did a full review on the the Madam Glam polishes last week. So if you want to see those polishes more up close, you could go check out the previous video. Anyway, I'm using McCart's Blooming Gel, and I'm putting it on 2/3 of the tip, so not all the way up to the top because I want to do an ombre. So I'm just putting it at 2/3 of the nail, and I'm doing that for all of them. So I originally recorded the video like about a month ago, but then I accidentally deleted it. So when it came to the time that I was trying to make the video and upload it to YouTube, I realized that it wasn't no longer on my phone. So the nails that you see here are of a customer's. Luckily, I had somebody buy the nails around the same time that I was trying to upload the video, so I had lucked out. So that's why the shape of the nails in the video is different from the thumbnails. The thumbnails were taken of the nails that I did in the original video, so that's why they're a little bit different. So I'm just taking an old dusty brush that I have and marbling the polishes together. I'm not really trying to swirl them. I want them to kind of be like tie-dye, kind of where you could still see the colors. They're not actually swirled all together. It's kind of blotchy a little bit. All I could think of, like the best example, is a tie-dye shirt, where it still have kind of like the blocks of color and a little bit of gradient, a little bit of mixing. Don't cure the blooming gel. I put a little exclamation, not an exclamation, a disclaimer on the screen not to cure it because I have forgot to say it earlier. But don't cure it. But yeah, there's no real technique that I'm using to marble. I'm just picking up each color, placing it on there, and just going with the flow. The blooming gel is doing a lot of the hard work. Well, I'm gonna quit rambling and let you guys watch the video. When I had first made this set, I was kind of worried because I didn't really like the marble at first, but I was just like, you know, just stick with it and see how it turns out at the end. And these became one of my favorite sets, and I'm glad that I stuck through the whole marbling thing because you wouldn't really expect these colors to go together off the rip, but they did. Now I am going through with the acrylic and I'm going to ombre. So this is Kiara Sky Monomer and then my Alpha 9 brush. So yeah, I am trying to pretty much stick to a 1 to 2 small beads, not, you know, a big bead or anything like that, because I'm just trying to cover the top part of the nail where the cuticle is. I'm not trying to cover the marble like that. I'm trying to ombre it. So I'm using smaller beads, and I'm taking my time, even though you really can't see it in the video because I have it sped up, but I really took my time because I didn't want to mess up anything. Oh, I totally forgot to mention that I had cured these in a lamp for 60 seconds. So after I had got finished painting each one, I had put them in a lamp for 60 seconds. Totally forgot to mention that earlier. But yeah, and then if I had any excess acrylic on the nails, you know, I just took it off with the brush, as you could see a little bit earlier. But yeah, and then later I'm gonna go and file through. These came out so cute. Like I said at first, I was so worried that they weren't going to turn out good because I don't know what I was thinking, like, with the colors and stuff, but I don't know, I just did it. And they came out so cute and are definitely one of my favorite sets. So yeah, let me quit rambling again and just let y'all sit back and watch. So I am going in with 100 grit hand file to get those crisp edges, and then I also go in with a sanding band on my e-file and go around the cuticle area to debulk the cuticle because you don't want it too thick. And then, you know, it just looks too lumpy on the nails or too bulky on the nails when you apply them. So I like to go around the cuticle and thin them out. Alright, so now it's time to top coat the nails. So I did end up accidentally overfiling, I think like 2 nails. So I did go in and add some more blue and green polish to a few of them, just to fill in the spots that I had overfiled. But yeah, these came out so cute. My hands always get so dirty when I do a set. That's why I don't ever like wear nails while I'm doing a set, because they always get so dirty. But anyway, we're pretty much at the end of the video. Comment down below if you like the set. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And in a few seconds, you will see the final reveal shots.